Oh man, this is exciting. Here we go. This is Breaking Brockvlog News with me, Vince Brockvlog. We're going to bring you some news from downtown Brockville on a fairly regular basis. We've got all the latest equipment, as you're going to see here in a second. We're set up here, ready to rock and roll. We've got high-definition cameras. We've got great microphones. We've got a 70 millisecond or 75 millisecond delay on the audio in case I accidentally swear. We've got drones in the sky, live drones. Drone operator, move that thing. You're already on ahead of it. Good work. Glad we rehearsed. As you can see, there's beautiful Courthouse Square. There's the fountain of General Brock just went by. We see the beautiful statue of Sally Grant flying the flag. And inside that building, justice is served to all the criminals in Brockville. And some of them are even housed in there. If you can look down closely, you can see the yard to the right. There it goes. We're flying past it. Can we? There's a parking lot with nobody in it. What's going on? Free parking downtown. They say it's a bit of a problem, but there it is right behind. Can we turn that thing around, please? Is it possible to turn that drone around? Thank you. Wow, looks great. There's that new Wall Street building. Okay, bring her up a bit. Good, move her forward. Let's go back. Let's head her back downtown, please. Here we go. So there's the St. Lawrence River down there. I understand it's still very warm. There's the backside of Sally Grant flying the flag. And as you can see, there's the Keystorm patio down there. Not a lot of people on it, but... and right, where is it? Right here is the, which way do I go? Here it is, Aquatarium building in the bottom of that. That's the Tall Ships Landing, the most disputed building ever to be put up in Brockville, bar none. Yeah, a lot of people didn't like that. Okay, we're going to be looking down. There's the Rob Thompson Hotels, I think that is. No, that's across the street. There's Rob Thompson Hotel roof. A lot of people don't know, but Rob put a lot of work into the air and heating units as well. They're on the top. Pristine, as is the inside of it. I don't know why we're going down. Are we losing battery? Does anyone know why we're going down? There's nobody there. I think we're on autopilot here now. Anyway, that wraps it up. The first edition of Breaking Brockvlog News with me, Vince Brockvlog.